Alright, so we can always talk about how to get 1,000 subscribers all the time without talking about how to get 4,000 watch hours. They go hand in hand. So in today's video, I'm going to be talking about how to get 4,000 watch hours faster in 2025. Alright everyone, my name is Abigail. If you're seeing my video for the first time, thank you for stopping by to watch my video. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always tuning in to watch my videos. I appreciate you a lot. So without wasting time, I'm going to be going right into it. The first thing I'm going to be talking about today is you create valuable content. Like we already know, there are a lot of people coming up as creators, whether on Instagram, on Facebook, on YouTube, on TikTok. There are a lot of people creating content now. So what is that thing that will make people stay glued to your channel? It has to be that you are creating valuable content. It cannot just be like every other person. It has to, your content needs to stand out. That is what will keep people glued to your channel. Deliver value all the time. Because there are a lot of people creating that same video you are doing, that on the same topic. There are a lot of people doing that already. So the value you put into your video, the value that is gotten in your video, that is what will make people to come back to watch more of your videos or whenever you post video. Another thing I'm going to be talking about is use Restream.io to live stream your YouTube videos. Yes, there's an app called Restream.io and it helps you to get lots of views when you live stream. This is how it works. Download the app, link it to your YouTube channel, then go to Google. It doesn't have to be your video. Download a short clip on Google. Make sure it is not copyrighted. You don't want to get your channel into trouble. Download videos that are copyright free. Just a short clip. Then take it to the Restream app. The app has the way of helping you to replay the video over and over and over again, so you can live stream that particular video for like 5 to 8 hours. Don't do short live stream. Don't just do 1 hour off. No, do it for like 5 hours. Trust me, you're going to get lots of views. The app helps to get lots of views for your live streaming. So the third thing I'm going to be talking about is create playlists for your videos. Those live streams that you've already done, add them into a playlist. Then send the link of that playlist to your friends. Send them to your colleagues, your siblings, your loved ones. Tell them to stream the video for you. You trust me, you cannot do this YouTube journey alone. You need support from friends. You need people to, you need a community. You need a community to support you to make this work. You send the link of that playlist, send them to your friend so that they can help you stream it. Trust me, you are going to be getting lots of views, because one of the live stream is about 3 to 8 hours long, and if you now share it with about 5 to 10 people, you can imagine the number of views that you will get. Do it for like 7 days or thereabouts. Trust me, your channel is going to grow very well. This Restream app helps really well, but you need to download videos that are not copyrighted. Trust me, you need to check, because it can hurt your channel. So the next thing I'm going to be talking about is create video on content gap. Okay, so what is content gap? Content gap are videos that people search for on YouTube, but they have just little resources on it. There are some topics that people come on YouTube to search for, but they only find few videos on it. Create content on those kind of videos. It does well because it is not saturated. So you should use that to get lots of views to your channel. Another thing I'm going to be saying in addition is connect in the comment section. Build that community. You cannot do this YouTube journey alone. So you want to just build that community, relate with people in the comment section. Even in this video, drop comments and follow, reach out to every other person that drop comments, and that's how you build community. Go to their channel, watch their video, leave a comment. From there, they will come back to your own your channel as well to check what you're doing, to check your videos, and this will help grow your channel. So that brings us to the end of this video. If you find this helpful, don't forget to share, don't forget to leave a comment, like the video, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.